discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.